Hey everyone, welcome to Willerers. Today I'll show you how to download and install texture packs for Minecraft Bedrock. First, open your browser and check your game version. Then, search for Minecraft Bedrock texture packs and pick one you like. I'm using version 1.2161, so I'll download this pack. Once it's done, open Minecraft and the file we just downloaded. It's still downloading, so we'll wait. This file will open. The import starts, and it's done. Click play, then create new world. Click resource packs, activate hours, create the world, and you'll see the textures work. That's it. Subscribe and peace out.